It's time for a healthy soundbite. Here is an important message for your health. It's all about sustainable living. It involves the 3 L's. L, listen, L, learn, and L, live healthy. Enjoy. In new diagnosis among women in the USA and dependent areas in 2017, when we look at women broken down by race and ethnicity, 59% of the new cases are African American women. That is why we want to work on prevention in our community. For more information about HIV and AIDS, go to sistervoices.org, where you will find quality resources on HIV and AIDS. That's sistervoices.org, SISTAHVOICES.org. Remember to take time for tea by taking effective action for your spirit, mind, and physical health. Eat immune-boosting foods, drink water, and exercise. See you next time.